Picture this. You're behind the wheel of a machine that packs 577 handcrafted horses, costs around $213,000, and can rocket from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. Welcome to the Mercedes-AMG GT63 4 Matic Plus, and let me tell you why this German beast is rewriting the supercar playbook. First impressions matter, and the GT63 doesn't just walk into a room, it owns it. That aggressive front fascia isn't just for show. Those massive air intakes are feeding a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 that's been hand-assembled by AMG craftsmen in a Falterbach. We're talking about 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque that gets channeled through AMG's Performance 4 Matic Plus all-wheel drive system. Now here's where things get interesting. This isn't your typical all-wheel drive setup. The system can send 100% of the power to the rear wheels when you want that pure sports car feel, or split it 50-50 when you need maximum grip. It's like having two different personalities in one machine. Inside, you're greeted by performance seats wrapped in Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim, and Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system. The cabin strikes the perfect balance between track-focused aggression and daily driver luxury. On the road, the GT63 delivers an experience that's both civilized and savage. In comfort mode, it cruises highways with the refinement of a luxury sedan, soaking up imperfections while the V8 rumbles contentedly in the background. But switch to race mode, and the transformation is immediate. The exhaust opens up with a thunderous roar, the suspension tightens, and every input becomes razor sharp. This dual personality is what makes the GT63 so compelling as an everyday supercar. The real magic happens when you dive into the tech. AMG Active Ride Control suspension adapts to every twist and turn in real time, while the rear axle steering makes this 4,000-pound monster feel surprisingly nimble. The 9-speed AMG SpeedShift MCT transmission uses a wet clutch instead of a traditional torquey converter, delivering lightning-fast shifts that'll snap your neck. But let's talk about what really sets the GT63 apart from its rivals. While Porsche's 911 Turbo might be the benchmark, the AMG brings something different to the table. It's got presence, exclusivity, and that unmistakable AMG soundtrack that'll wake up your entire neighborhood. The numbers don't lie either. 0 to 124 miles per hour happens in just 10.9 seconds, with a top speed of 196 miles per hour. These aren't just figures on paper, they translate to real-world performance that'll leave supercars costing twice as much struggling to keep up. At around $213,000, the GT63 isn't cheap, but it delivers an experience that justifies every penny. It's exclusive without being pretentious, powerful without being unrefined, and sophisticated without sacrificing that raw AMG DNA. The Mercedes-AMG GT63 4 Matic Plus isn't just another sports car, it's a statement that Mercedes-AMG is serious about taking on the supercar establishment. And frankly, they might just win. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.